Alpine Linux versus Debian. Which Linux distribution should you use? Explores how choosing the right Linux distro can enhance your system's performance and security without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly touch on Alpine's minimalism and Debian's versatility. Alpine Linux and Debian are two popular Linux distributions with distinct goals. Alpine focuses on being lightweight and secure, ideal for containers and minimal setups. Debian emphasizes stability and broad hardware support, making it perfect for desktops and servers. Alpine Linux is a security-oriented lightweight Linux distribution designed for efficiency and simplicity. It uses the muscle libz and busybox utilities to keep the system size minimal, often under 130 MB. Alpine is built around security features like PAX and GRI security patches, enhancing protection against exploits. Its package manager, AppK, allows quick and easy software installation with minimal dependencies. Alpine works exceptionally well in containerized environments such as Docker, where small image size and security are critical. However, Alpine's minimalism means it may lack some user-friendly features and extensive software repositories found in larger distributions. This can make it less suitable for users seeking a full desktop experience or extensive hardware support out of the box. Alpine Linux is ideal for advanced users, developers, or sysadmins who need a compact, secure-based system for servers, containers, or embedded devices. Debian is a widely respected Linux distribution known for its stability and extensive software repository. It supports a vast range of hardware architectures and offers multiple installation options from minimal to full-featured desktops. Debian uses the GNU-C library and systemd as its init system, ensuring compatibility with most software. Its package management system, APT, provides access to over 50,000 packages, making it versatile for various use cases from servers to desktop workstations. Debian's release cycle prioritizes reliability, with stable versions thoroughly tested before release. While this means Debian may not always have the latest software versions, it guarantees a dependable and secure environment. Debian's user community and documentation are extensive, aiding new and experienced users alike. However, Debian's larger footprint compared to Alpine means it requires more system resources. It is best suited for users who want a robust, versatile Linux system capable of handling diverse workloads, including desktop computing, web servers, and development environments. Alpine Linux and Debian serve different needs. Alpine excels in minimalism and security, making it perfect for containerized applications or lightweight servers where resource efficiency matters. Its compact size reduces attack surfaces, but requires more Linux knowledge to customize. Debian offers a full-featured, stable environment with broad hardware and software support, ideal for desktops and traditional servers. Debian's extensive repositories and user-friendly tools simplify software management but come with a larger system footprint. Choosing Alpine means prioritizing security and minimalism, while Debian focuses on versatility and ease of use. For example, developers deploying microservices might prefer Alpine, whereas users needing a reliable workstation or server with less manual setup will benefit from Debian. Choose Alpine Linux if you need a lightweight, secure system optimized for containers or minimal server environments and are comfortable with manual configuration. Debian is the better choice for users seeking a stable, versatile Linux distribution with extensive hardware support and a vast software ecosystem. It balances reliability and usability, making it ideal for desktops, servers, and general-purpose computing. Your choice depends on your specific needs and expertise.